Okay, well, I guess the court's over for today. Golly, what a day, what a morning. It was just morning, and they took a damn break, too. Ugh. So, some Detective Hart, I'm going to call him Detective because he's a bunch of stuff, but he was one of the main investigators, okay? Looking for the children. He got texts off Lori's, 2 different accounts of Lori's, all the way back to 2000. I don't know how he did that, but we started with 2018, the day that Chad and Lori met. So, oh my gosh, there's a couple of people that, like I've been saying, knew more and are lying. Melaniece and Audrey. Damn, Audrey knew some shit. These texts could very well come back on some people. If you know what I mean. Yikes. The texts were disgusting. Lori would portal to the shower with Chad while they were in totally different states. That's called phone sex. That's gross. Picturing those 2 idiots talking about killing people and having phone sex. Ooh. There's so many gags and eye rolls and no thanks, just ate right below these texts. It's comical. I know there's a God. Please, please let Chad's children hear about this shit and read it all. Please let Chad hear that we are listening to all of this shit in court right now before he thinks he's going to have a trial in line. Because he still acts like he don't know why he's in. He needs to be removed from jail. He said he don't know why he's there. Now we do. Ha. Thought we knew. No. Now we know. No. Oh my gosh. Literally talking about somebody gonna die in a couple of days. Oh, these evil, nasty people. And boy, Melaniece, oh my gosh. So needy for Lori to be her mama. She don't believe any of this stuff about her real mother either. So, she's part of the Cox clan. They're cuckoo, okay? Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Summer Shiflett might be the only normal one, and Adam. That's it. The dad refuses to pay his taxes. Damn, Charles paid a bunch of them. Paid for all their damn phones and iPads and shit. If y'all hadn't read the few that we got to listen to today, just a few, go read them. Oh my gosh. Monday's gonna be good. I hope they take all of Monday to read all the texts. And there was only a couple of objections, but I could just see Judge Boyce probably being on the edge, like, shut up. After an objection, because he's waiting like we are to hear the next one. We're all on the edge of our seats, like, read another one. And Hart was telling his, to defense, you could say he was assuming he knew what they meant with a lot of the stuff. But he said, well, they spoke of these words and these words a lot, and we knew that it meant Charles's death or Tammy's death or whatever. Called her own damn children obstacles? Obstacles. You don't have any more obstacles in your damn way, girl. You going to prison forever to think about your obstacles. Damn evil witch. Evil. They were dealing with the devil, these people, I'm telling you. Because if you got a damn conscience, which I think is something God gives us all, I don't think you can grow one in a test tube like a soul and a spirit, you know what I mean? You might can grow a baby in there, but can you really grow a soul, a spirit, or a conscience? I don't think so. Anyway, if you got a conscience, normally you just know when something's right or wrong, unless you are just freaking off your walker or needy as hell, which is sad. That you can't find other friends. I'd rather be friendless than have those kind of friends and pretend like I'm like some Mother Nature freak straddling the tectonic plates and starting fires and killing demons and sealing them. And no, I never wanted to be in theater. I would feel like a dumbass even talking to a friend, acting like I could do something like that. Or that Jesus sat next to me. Or that I'm going to go baptize Hitler in the dead today for the 3rd time. It's not taken, but he said he wanted you to do it. So I'm totally confused now. Hadn't read them, go read them. Nate texted them. Can't wait to hear the rest on Monday. It's like the worst soap opera ever. What's sad though is it's real. They were dumb as just dumb. Dumber than dumb. At one point I was like, they must believe Jesus really telling them to do this. But no. But because they left so much evidence, they weren't trying to be careful. Now in some of Lori's texts, it did seem she was trying to, I don't know if I should say code words or beat around the bush or not say the exact things like calling her kids obstacles and stupid shit like that. But I mean, by now, every damn person in the courtroom knows what the language is and what it's about and who's it about and all that stuff. She's going down. I think the jury feels the same way we do. For all I know, they might be confused though, because I've been in this from the beginning. So I don't know what it would be like going into a courtroom and hearing this shit. But they're getting the best of it. Stuff we never heard. Stuff we didn't even know they had. They could have started off with this guy. But that wouldn't have exposed Lori and Chad enough. Lori is so exposed in that courtroom, she should feel like she's naked in a classroom. We see her. We see through her. We're hearing all her evilness. And bitch has got to be embarrassed when the texts and stuff come out. Because, damn, the shower one especially. Oh, I'd pay money to see her freaking face. It had to have turned beet red. Probably not, though. I mean, that chick probably just, winked at one of her attorneys or something like, you want to get my portal? God only knows what that bitch is thinking. She ain't normal. She's not normal. And, I mean, Chad must have some wicked stuff underneath his clothing because ain't nothing going on anywhere else. I cannot even imagine talking to him about doing things like that with him. I mean, he would just have to be, something we can't see.